All right, when dairying started, there was no refrigeration. And so for that reason, most people separated their milk and separated the fat out and sold cream. And the cream would go for cheese. And this small can would be kind of can you would put cream in. You were supposed to refrigerate it, but you could make butter with sour milk. That's why nowadays they advertise sweet cream butter, because that means the milk that went in it wasn't spoiled. So this is the cream can. I said to make cheese. That was wrong. The cream was to make butter. That was before there was refrigeration. And when there was refrigeration, and most farmers in Woodbury, they lived close enough to St. Paul that their milk went for fresh bottled drinking milk. And so it would be in cans. You'd put the cans in to cool in ice water, and you would have refrigerators that just refrigerated a giant tub of ice water with a cover. The cans wouldn't float when they're full. You set them in. Maybe that's one reason why the cans are so heavy. They don't float when they're in water, even when they're half full of milk. So that's how you kept the milk from spoiling. So obviously everybody's can looked alike. You had to separate it when they get to town, that they know whose can it was and who gets paid for what milk's in it. And this can has, in the beginning, they put brass, copper name tags soldered on with your name on it. And this one says Theo Garby, which is Ted Garby, which we've talked about, which was my grandpa Ben Garby's brother. So we got a tag on this milk can, little brass tag that's soldered on, says Theo Garby. So when this can came in, they know it was Ted Garby's milk, and he should get credit for the milk in the can. Later on, they painted cans different colors. My dad, when he sent milk cans in, he had a paper tag that was, there's a loop on the can right here, and we put a tag that was tied onto the can to identify our cans.